Pour this into the molehill, and the moles will disappear from your garden in one day. It's a great, homemade, and inexpensive solution. Making this mixture only takes a moment. Start by preparing a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This powder has irritating properties for the sensitive sense of smell of moles. The next ingredient is powdered fire starter. Its intense, penetrating smell is unbearable for moles. Also add 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. It has strong, irritating properties and acts as a natural repellent. The sharp smell irritates the nose and skin of animals. Now add dish soap. It works as an emulsifier, allowing the ingredients to combine better. Add 2 tablespoons. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar reacts well with the baking soda, and its intense, sour smell lingers in the soil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. You'll notice a thick, bubbling foam forming in the container. This is a desired effect. Pour the foam directly into the molehill. You don't have to destroy it. The moles will immediately leave the area and never return. This is the most effective method for naturally getting rid of moles in your garden.